Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and we are looking at just an amazing 1959 Pontiac Bonneville. So I am at Jensen's Classic in Sioux City, Iowa, and my day job is I call on auto dealers, and this vehicle is actually on the market. They sell Pontiac, Subaru, and Volkswagen, and then they also sell classic cars. So this vehicle is for sale, and they just were pulling it out. A gentleman's going to come look at it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just the inside of this is unbelievable, and the seats, the color, and the carpeting. So anyway, I was up here on business, and I'm going to shoot more video. They've got a couple buildings full of classics, and they gave me permission to shoot, and I just love the tail end of the Bonneville. And I did a video on, I don't know if it was called a Parisienne. It was made in Canada, but same body style, same everything, but it was made in Canada. Here's the fuel door, and here's their Jensen's Classics. Carrie Ann is the salesperson, and she gave me permission to shoot this video. Wow, look at the trim, and it just swoops around and goes up. And Buick had the ports on the front fenders, but here on this Bonneville, you have it on the quarter panel. Just an amazing car. And I'm in heaven with this car. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Here's some information. So 1959 Pontiac. I'll take a picture of that separately and post that as well. And evidently there's a gentleman that's coming to purchase the vehicle, so it may not be available anymore by the time I post this video. But should you be interested, Carrie Ann, and I'll post her information below as well. I got to get the inside again. But this is one of the joys of calling on car dealers when you come across something unique like this. Look at that door card. Definitely the space age influence with rocket ships and just incredible. So thank you again for all the support. Comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm just going to do one more walk around of the exterior just to capture a little bit more goodness. Dual exhaust. Look at the size of that trunk, and then the Bonneville emblem. Rather long vehicle. I asked her the color, and she said she believed it was coral. And I said, well, if a man owns a car, it's coral. If it's a woman owns a car, it's probably pink. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.